Welcome to Stanley, Scuba, Sailing, and Adventures. I appreciate you joining me. Please hit that subscribe button. I was trying to get to know the boat and experiment with the sails a little bit. Here's a great view of the midway and folks waving at us from the flight deck. Sailing under the Coronado Bridge never disappoints. The bridge is pretty impressive. On our way out, we passed this impressive naval vessel on its way in. The soldiers seemed very courteous. They did, however, hang around and make sure they were positioned to easily come between us and the submarine.